Hi, Chef D here. We're grilling for Father's Day. Actually, we're cedar planking for Father's Day. We all have done steaks, we've done pork, we've done ribs, everything. Now it's time to do something that's a little bit different, but so good, and your fish is going to taste amazing. So I've taken some cedar planks, and what I've done is I put them in water. I've soaked them in water for probably about 4.5 hours. I soak it in warm water. It seems that the cedar absorbs the water more and you get more water into the plank. Now, I have two of my favorite fish. I have Alaskan halibut, which is totally sustainable, and we have some amazing Atlantic salmon. We're gonna put our halibut on one plank and our salmon on the other. And this is gonna go on medium high, so between 350 and 400 degrees in your barbecue. We're gonna season it with a little bit of pepper and salt, or salt and pepper, however you wanna go with that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and place it on our grills. Right on our grills, again, medium high. You don't wanna go much higher than that because you don't want it to burn. You want to slowly get a little bit of smoke going from it. It's gonna taste amazing. Just start seeing that the moisture is coming out of our cedar planks. Starting to dry, you're gonna hear a little bit of snap, crackle, and pop, but that's normal of the air going through the wood. And you just start seeing the fishes starting to cook. We're at about the 10-minute mark now, and we're gonna let it go for about another 12 minutes. So our fish is done. Our beautiful halibut and salmon, again, it's from our good friends at Coddles Catch, CoddlesCatchSeafood.com. They'll deliver right to your door. Absolutely fantastic. And you can just start seeing that the smoke has given it a little bit of a yellowy brown tinge. That's what we're looking for. This is what makes it so great. You have some Alaskan halibut, some amazing Atlantic salmon. Tastes good. I have a little bit of a tapenade I made here. For these recipes and more, go to my YouTube channel, ChefD TV, or check out my website, ChefDTV.com. Hey, happy Father's Day. Enjoy your time with your dad. He's gonna love this seafood. Oh.